In this video, I will show you how to make your video look more cinematic by color grading it. First thing, we have to import some footage. So I have 3 footage. I'm going to drag and drop it onto the timeline. The 3 footage that I've used. And as you can see, this is not looking that cinematic. So let's make this video more cinematic. So the first thing we have to do is go to Effects, click on Border, and choose Cinema 21:9 and add it here. So this already makes the footage a bit more cinematic just by having this border. So the second part that we need to do is color grade. For that, let's click on this video and in here, click on colors. And we have a lot of presets and LUTs. So I'm going to use some LUTs here to make it more cinematic as we can. As we are going here, we can see how each of it changes the color. We can use any one of them that is already there. So this is the one that's without. This is the one with. So we can see a very large difference. I'm going to use S-Log here and reduce the strength a little bit. And let's increase the temperature a little bit. Then let's decrease the highlights so the sky will be much more orange. Let's bump up the shadows a bit so we can see the buildings a bit more. So this is done for this footage. So let's click on the other one and then click on colors again. And in this video as well, we'll follow the same steps. We'll use the same LUT so the video looks similar. For this, everything looks a bit more bright. And so what we can do is reduce the strength of this here and reduce the highlights. Can reduce contrast a bit over here as well. It looks a bit too contrasty. And exposure to a very little -1. Let's add some more blacks. We'll do the same for the other clip as well. And we'll adjust the parameters here, like highlights, play with the shadows and blacks. Let's decrease the sharpness a little bit because it was making it too sharp. Let's play this clip and see how it looks like. As you can see, the video looks a lot more cinematic and without any of these. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.